Walks rarely down the streets, ripple when I low. Ain't no Simon Sounds bees, he got ready to go. Are you ready? Hey, are you ready for this? Are you hanging on the edge of your seat? Out of town where bikes rip to the sound of beat, yeah! Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. And another one's gone, and another one's gone. Another one bites the dust. Hey, gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Welcome to BOOZHOO. Na BOOZHOO. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. We're happy to be here today. Gii-gisinaa, noongoom. I want to talk a little bit to you today. Hey! Welcome to BOOZHOO. Na BOOZHOO. The podcast about Ojibwe. Hey everybody, welcome back to BOOZHOO, Na BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. This is really serious stuff, you kids. Prick up your ears, we got something to say. Nah, just kidding.
Oh, what?
Please welcome Na BOOZHOO.
Oh, jeez. Thank you very much, sweetie. Hey, BOOZHOO. BOOZHOO Nish Anishinaabe Dog. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe. And BOOZHOO to the Chamokamen too, hey? To the great knives watching this podcast. You got great knives, eh? Well, today I thought we should do a Ojibwe phrase of the day.
What were you thinking?
Well, I was thinking, Gii-gisinaa noongoom. Gii-gisinaa. Oh, I just screwed this up. Gii-gisinaa noongoom. It snowed today. I guess that can be. We already did that though. I guess what I wanted to say. Okay, well let's maybe we can cut this. So I was thinking, take two. So I was thinking, our Ojibwe phrase of the day. Gii-gisinaa noongoom. Gii-gisinaa noongoom. It was cold today. I woke up this morning. You know how cold it was?
How cold was it?
It was so cold. It was 3 below. Yeah, 3 below 0. It wasn't that bad, I guess. But that's our phrase for today. Gii-gisinaa noongoom. Gii, like it happened in the past. Gii. If it happens in the future, you say we. Gii, the past. We, the future. We are. What was I trying to sing there? We are the children. We are the one to make a brighter day. So let's start. Oh, brother. I don't want to do that song. It's silly. Anyway, Gii-gisinaa noongoom. It was cold today. And this has been your Ojibwe phrase of the day. Alright. Anything else you want to add to this, sweetie?
Nah. Why don't you just say goodbye?
We don't have a word for goodbye. We say, I will see you again. Gii-gisinaa Menawa. Hoa. How was that?
Oh, you were great.
Get out of here.